If you want to master calisthenics, then a must-have move is the horizontal scapular pull-in. When you're working straight arm scapular strength, you don't just need to work the protraction, the pushing, but you also need to work the retraction, the pulling. And that's what we're going to do in this video.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
We use this movement to complement the scapular push-up. So if you've watched our video on how to do a scapular push-up, this is the exercise that you need to do in a 1-to-1 ratio to develop symmetry in the shoulders. Now, it's very, very important that you stick around to the end to learn the 3 coaching cues that we teach so that you master the correct technique and you develop strength the right way. If you get this stuff wrong, even the slightest misunderstanding of how you hold your elbows or where you put your shoulders, you're not going to develop the strength that's going to carry forward into your tuck lever and later into the front lever. And that's what we're working towards here. So learn this stuff the right way, train intelligently, train with quality and intention, and let's build some awesome calisthenics strength.
Horizontal scapular pull-in. We use this in the UMS phase 1 to prepare the shoulders and arms for the front lever work coming in later phases of the UMS. This is paired with the scapular push-up as it acts as a pulling movement to counter the push and create balance in the shoulder joint. When you set up, remember that the further back your feet are and the more upright you stand, the easier the move is, and vice versa. So stand where you can challenge yourself for 3 to 10 reps per set with good quality. The reason why we have such a vast rep range with the horizontal scapular pull-in and the scapular push-up is because they are such challenging movements to do with good quality. The goal is to get 5 sets of 8 to 10 reps with each movement, but never at the cost of quality. For this reason, we teach people to start with three reps and build up from there. Start with your hands shoulder width apart, arms straight and core engaged to create a straight line from your feet to your head. Depress your scapula at all times. For the movement, retract your scapula until they touch together, hold for 3 seconds, and then protract all the way and repeat. The 3 cues to think of when performing the exercise are: keep elbows and body straight, keep scapula depressed, be intentional with end ranges. The end ranges are the same as the scapular push-up, only now you are doing a pull version of the movement.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.